Battery died last night on the drill, so I know I uploaded the films. Anyway, yeah, so I've put them in, look, there, I've got to sort something out for there. I think I'll just put a piece of block of wood under it, should be fine. Yeah, today I'm going to be on with putting a petition, which will be approximately there, and one there. I would like to say towards the batteries. I'll just concentrate on that today. I've ordered some wallpaper trim. What it is basically it's about this wide, 18mm I think. Anyway, where your joints are in paper, it's self-adhesive, goes down, but it matches the paper. That ain't muck, it's dried wallpaper paste. Go over it with a brush later. Yeah, so that's what I'm on with today. Well, it's been a couple of hours. I've had Ollie down, done the two, you know, petitions. There you go. 2 batteries. I'm going to put them in now and sort something out for keeping them in place. There is actually holes at the sides here, look, where you can screw it to the floor, but I don't think I'm going to be doing that. Right, I've just spent 2 hours building a box. I thought I'll just knock a quick box up. 2 hours. It's a super duper top of the range Ferrari box. Anyway, I've put it there over batteries and everything, and it's no good, because once the lats are screwed back down, I won't be able to lift the box off to get to the batteries. So 2 hours wasted, loads of wood, umpteen screws. So I'm peed off and peed off. That bad boy, ain't that a cracker? Oh, oh, it's fantastic. Anyway, yeah, I know where to put phone. Yeah, look, super duper Ferrari box. Is that good? I can't get it off. There we are. Oh, hang on. Let's see if we can do it. Yeah. Can you see me? Oh. Look. It's a Ferrari box. It's absolutely amazing. Putting batteries in, look. Put them round, stop them sliding about. So to hell with it. I'm doing away with the box after 2 hours plus. Oh, I'm gutted. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to move it back down, and then, because even with that on, I couldn't fit my bloody charger in. And now, I think there's some brackets you can buy, isn't there, that go over the battery and hold them down. Would they suffice, I ask? Right, I'm going to go outside now, smash this to bits. No, I'm not. I'm going to sell it on eBay. Yeah. Anybody want to buy a box? Box! Hey. Right, done away with box. Got the lats back on. There you go. Yeah, go on then. Yeah, so tomorrow, yeah, I'll tell you what I'm going to do with this side. With this heater that's coming, 240, I've got a switch, a fuse switch basically. I've got to cut some holes, etc., and bring wires in for that, but I might leave that today just to be on the safe side. Right, tomorrow I'm going to attempt this side. Well, make a start on it anyway. I'm going to put this cupboard in here, and that top one. I have to do that because the distance from edge of cupboard to there, you know what I mean, I won't know the gap I've got, and then equal it out. Dave Mini Maniac sent me some measurements of his, 36, which is good. I've cut my boards to 36, so yeah. So hopefully it's a fine day tomorrow and I can crack on with this and hopefully get this side done, and then it's a case of built kitchen. I'm saying it like it's not. All wiring, bathroom, roof, floor, seats, cab, window. Actually, it's rained a couple of times and it hasn't leaked in, so I don't know what is going on. What's that there? No, it's not wet, it's just shiny. Shiny. Yeah, so